Look, my dear friend, today I am going to the Kolapathana waterfall in Mandaram. Nuwara Eliya district. There are beautiful trees on both sides of the road. I love my country very much. A small road. I feel like catching the wind blowing through them. How beautiful it is all around. The coldness that I feel with the fog is indescribable. It makes my heart feel very calm. Such beautiful places are only in my country. Sri Lanka. Drink a bitter tea to warm up from the cold. I love my country very much. I am lucky to be born in a country like this. The natural environment is a good medicine for the mind. It is even more beautiful when I walk and watch the scenery around me. I go down the road through the tea gardens. Looking on both sides and listening to the sounds of birds. I love my country, Sri Lanka, very much.